Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybroses. In today's video, we will be discussing about the update of Odoo 18.2. Replying to or forwarding specific message in Odoo. Odoo provides a functionality for replying to and forwarding message, primarily within the discussed applications and across various modules that utilizes the chatter feature. So now let's dive into the sales module. In the sales module, you can just choose any quotation. I would like to choose a quotation of Abigail Peterson, and under the chatter you can find different messages over here. So here you can see the message that is logged, and as you just move on to the expand button, here you can see that we have two functionalities, that is forward and reply all. So in this case, when you just click on forward, you can easily specify the recipients over here and you can simply forward this. So let's say I just want to forward this for Mark Demo in order to check the updates. So let's say here we can provide that, and if you want to add multiple people over here, you can also add them and click on send. So let me add one more person. Let's say it's Alexa Laza, and click on send. So that will be forwarding, and you can see that it's being forwarded and the forwarded message will be logged over here. Now likewise, we can also reply for a specific message. Now let me consider the other message over here. So if you want to reply this for all, you can just choose that. So in this case, you can see that this will be sending to the followers. If I just click on send, you can see, let's say, check the updates, and let me click on send. You can see this will be sending to the followers. So here you can see that we have two followers, that is Michelle Edwin as well as Abigail Peterson. So this will be replying to all the followers. But if you want to just reply for a specific recipients, we can also do that. So as I just click on reply all, and if I just choose a particular person over here, let's say Ami Watson, and let's say that kindly check the quotation. You can see they can also reply for them, like we are just making reply for them, and it's very easy to make replying to or forward specific message in Odoo 18, and that is one of the new updates of Odoo 18.2. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.